Imagine you just won a big prize. You feel so happy that you are floating. This is on cloud nine. Understanding this idiom will help you share your greatest joy with others. My friend Ben thought it was literal. When I said I was on cloud nine, he looked at the sky. He asked, "How did you get up there? And where are the other 8 clouds?" On cloud nine simply means you are extremely happy. You feel like you are on top of the world. It is a figurative way to describe a wonderful feeling. The phrase might come from old weather maps. Cloud number 9 was the highest cloud. So being on cloud 9 means you are at the highest point of happiness. Let's use it correctly. If you get a new job, you might say, "I am on cloud 9. It shows you are not just happy, but very, very excited. Here is another example. He was on cloud 9 after his baby was born. This means he felt a deep and pure sense of joy. Or try this. She was on cloud 9 because she passed the exam. Success often makes us feel like we are floating on a high cloud. To remember this, think of the number 9 as the highest floor in a building of clouds. When you are on the top floor, you are at your happiest. In many cultures, the sky represents peace and bliss. Cloud 9 reflects this value by using the sky to measure how good we feel inside. You will hear this in many famous songs and movies. It has been a popular way to describe love and success for almost 100 years. There are similar phrases too. You can say you are over the moon, in 7th heaven, or walking on air. They all mean you are very happy. The opposites are down in the dumps, under the weather, or feeling blue. These phrases describe feeling sad or not very well. One common mistake is the preposition. We say on cloud 9, not in cloud 9. Think of the cloud as a platform you stand on. Also, save this for big moments. You wouldn't say you are on cloud 9 just because you liked a snack. Use it for truly special events. Now, a quick quiz. What does on cloud 9 mean? Is it A, to be sleepy, B, to be very happy, or C, to be confused? Think for a moment. The correct answer is B. If you are on cloud 9, you are very, very happy. Great job if you got that right. Let's recap. On cloud 9 means extremely happy. Remember to use on and save it for those truly special times in your life. Now it is your turn. Tell us about a time you were on cloud 9 in the comments. If you enjoyed today's content, please like and subscribe or support us with super thanks. See you in the next video.